Get Mr. Chicken. Get him. Get it, get it, get it.
Really working it. He's not. He's just going.
That's funny. Lucky doesn't even have to pull. He says, that's my Mr. Chicken. Get it, Jax. Get it, Jackson. Get it, Jackson. Get it, Jackson. Oh, Lucky's going to get it. Uh-oh, Lucky's going to get it. He's going to get it. Neither one of them's going to give up. Ah, Lucky got it. Lucky got it. They're cute. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, Jackson. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, look at Lucky. Lucky Dog's got that chicken. Lucky's got the chicken.
He's the king of the roost now.
Uh-oh.
Jack doesn't like it.
Uh-oh.
Get it, Jack.
Get it, get it, get it.
Keep wearing Jack out.
What you doing, Lucky? Lucky Dog. Hey, Lucky. Hey, Lucky. Come here. Come here. He's a good boy. He's a sweet boy. Lucky's a sweet boy. I know. He's having so much fun. Get it, get it. Get it, Lucky. Oh, boy. Here we go again. Get it, Jackson. Get it, Jackson. Get it. Get it, Jax. Get it. That's a good boy. Lucky, you're just a big boy. That's what you are. You're a big boy. Silly, silly. Silly, silly. Oh, get it, Jax. Get it, Jax. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, Jackson. Get it, Jackson. That is so cute. I could video this all day, I guess. I'm probably not going to get tired. You silly boy, Lucky.